Hello there. In today's video, I'm excited to guide you through the process of how to cancel your Google Workspace domain. Whether you're downsizing your business, altering your business strategy, or simply find that you no longer need your current domain, it's crucial to understand how to navigate this process efficiently and effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding of how to cancel a Google Workspace domain without any hassle. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow. First and foremost, start by navigating to the Google Workspace platform. This is the hub where all actions regarding your domain commence. Google Workspace offers a robust suite of productivity apps that enhance business operations. Look for a section labeled Accounts and click on it. In the Accounts section, your next move is to click on Domains. This area is specifically dedicated to managing the various domains associated with your Google Workspace account. Here, you'll see a list of domains under your control and where you can initiate changes to them. Find and click on Manage Domains to gain more detailed control over the settings and configurations of your individual domains. Each domain you own or manage will have its own set of options, allowing for tailored management based on your needs. To proceed with the cancellation, locate and click on Deactivate. This action signals to Google Workspace that you intend to remove the domain from active use. Take a moment to ensure you're deactivating the correct domain. This step is significant and typically cannot be undone with a simple click. Finally, you will see an option that says Deactivate Test Domain Alias. Click on this to finalize the cancellation of your domain. This step signifies the end of your domain's active status within Google Workspace. It's a confirmation that you wish to proceed with deactivation, effectively removing the domain from your Workspace account. And there you have it, step by step. We've walked through the process of cancelling a Google Workspace domain.